Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Plug a quality USB cable between your phone and desktop to begin. Unlock the phone and permit data transfer if prompted by the operating system. On Android, open Settings, select Network and Internet, then Hotspot and Tethering, and toggle USB tethering on. On iPhone, open Settings, then Personal Hotspot, and enable Allow Others to Connect. Connect the cable after enabling. Watch the desktop for a new Ethernet or USB network adapter notification. Install drivers if Windows or Mac OS asks, and then verify Internet access in a browser. Open your phone settings and create a Wi-Fi hotspot with a clear SSID name. Choose WPA2 or WPA3 security and set a strong password that you can remember. On the desktop, enable Wi-Fi and select the phone SSID from the available networks list. If the desktop lacks Wi-Fi, plug in a USB Wi-Fi adapter and install any drivers supplied by the manufacturer. Enter the hotspot password carefully and click Connect. Finally, test connectivity by loading a web page or running a ping to a reliable server. Turn on Bluetooth on both the phone and the desktop to initiate pairing. On the phone, open Settings, go to Network and Internet or Connections, and find Bluetooth tethering or personal hotspot options. Pair the devices by confirming the matching PIN or code displayed on both screens. After pairing, enable Bluetooth tethering on the phone. On the desktop, open Bluetooth settings, locate the paired phone, and choose Connect using Internet or Access Point profile. Verify the new network interface shows active, and then browse a web page to confirm Internet access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.